Hey, it's another little WayneBite, just a little taste of this and that, and today we're going to talk about air fryers. This is the Cosori 5.8 Quart Smart Air Fryer. Now, Smart Air Fryer basically means it is Wi-Fi enabled, which allows it to connect to the internet and connect to their special app. Now, before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my channel. You'll get recipes, craft ideas, restaurant reviews, even travel tips, all in one place. All you have to do is subscribe and also ring the little bell there to get notifications every time a new one comes out, and you're good to go. Now, when you get the actual air fryer, it comes in a box just like this. Inside, you're going to see the air fryer, as you see it right here. You're also going to get a little packet that has the quick start guide. It's going to have the warranty information. It's going to have the basic instruction manual, and it's going to have a recipe book. Now, the next step, once you've taken everything out of the box, is take all the tape off of everything so it's all ready to go. Then you're going to take this basket out, and you're going to disconnect it and separate the two. You're going to wash both of them before you get started. Easy process. And you put this back in, close it all up. And then the next step is actually go online and download the app that comes with the device. You can get that whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone. And then just follow the instructions on the phone. You'll basically connect this device to your home internet and you're good to go. You can also connect to Alexa if you have Alexa as part of your system. And that's actually very cool because Alexa can do a lot of things like preheat this little guy for you if you want. Alexa, preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Preheating Cosori Smart Air Fryer to 350 degrees
How cool
Fahrenheit.
Is that? Wow! Anyway, I'm going to turn that off though. Now you can do one of three things. You can use the app on your phone to find recipes you want to try, and once you find one, the app itself walks you through all the steps, and it actually preheats the air fryer and then times the entire process and lets you know when it's all done. That's number one. Number two, you can use the recipe book that comes with it, which walks you through all the steps as well and tells you how much to preheat it, how long to cook it, and all those various things too. Number three is you can use your own recipes, and that's what we're going to do today. I've got a chicken breast recipe for you that has no skin on the chicken breast and no heavy breading as well. It's just air fried with a little bit of oil and some of my homemade spice mix. So here's how it goes together. So I start off with about 1/8 of a cup of salt and the juice of 2 limes. It's about 1/4 of a cup. I'll add to that 6 cups of water. Now then I'm going to take 1 pound of chicken breasts and I'm going to initially pound them out a little bit so they're a little bit even in size all the way across. And then I'll put my chicken breast in there and I'll cover that with plastic and let that marinate for about 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, I'll take them out of the refrigerator. I'll rinse them in cold water. I'll pat them dry with a paper towel. And then I'll coat them in my dry rub mix. And my dry rub mix is a combination of paprika, salt and pepper, and a few other herbs and spices. You can use your own combination if you like. If you want mine, it's free. You can get it online. Just look up WayneBites on YouTube. You're going to start off by preheating the air fryer at 350 degrees, and I'm going to use Alexa for that. And then I will spray them with olive oil cooking spray. And then they're ready for the air fryer. You're going to put them in the air fryer and go for about 6 minutes on one side. Turn them over and do 6 minutes on the other side. You want to make sure the internal temperature is 165. Time's going to vary depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. Then you bring them out, let them rest for about a minute, and then you're good to go. Here are my chicken breast right here along with a nice spinach salad. I'm a happy little camper. Now to make a more traditional fried chicken with a nice crispy crust, you're going to start off with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You're going to place those in a plastic bag and add 1 cup of buttermilk. Squeeze out all the air, roll that up, and then put that in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or overnight if you can. Now when you're ready to actually cook your chicken, you're going to start off with 3 different bowls. The first bowl, you have 3/4 of a cup of flour and 2 teaspoons of my seasoned mix, or you can use whatever seasoning you like, salt, pepper, little paprika. Mix that together, set it aside. In another bowl, you're going to mix together 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Whisk that together till nice and blended. And lastly, you're going to take a flat plate and put 3/4 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs on it. Now, after your chicken is marinated, you take it out of the refrigerator, shake off a little of the excess buttermilk, dredge it in the flour, just like that, covering everything. Then take that, shake off the flour, put that in the egg mixture, coating all sides as evenly as possible. And then you're going to put that in the breadcrumb mixture. And again, make sure you're coating all the sides nice and evenly. Put that on a plate and repeat with all the rest of your chicken. Now let this chicken rest for about 15 minutes while you get your air fryer ready. Spray the inner basket of your air fryer. Close it up, and then you're going to preheat it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches temperature, you're going to spray your chicken with one coating of spray. You're going to place them in the basket, one layer only. Don't stack anything and don't let it touch each other. Close that up, and you're going to go for 12 minutes on this side. After 12 minutes, you're going to open up your basket. You're going to flip the chicken over, spray this side of the chicken, close it up, and then let it go for another 10 minutes. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees when it's ready, and it looks nice and crispy like this when it's done. So that's the Cosori 5.8 Quart Smart Air Fryer. I haven't done many recipes yet, but the ones I have done, I really like a lot. And I like using the app as well as working with Alexa with it as well. Kind of cool, actually. Alexa, are you having fun?
Absolutely.
You'll get more information down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face right there and you're good to go. And let me know what you think of the video. Like it, dislike it. If you want to see other things, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to follow up and do some of the things you'd like to see. We'll see you next time. Bye.